Sit comfortably and close your eyes very softly and very gently. Let's begin with the toes. Wiggle your toes. Now feel them relax. Feel the healing energy of Mother Earth move up into your feet and ankles. Feel them relax. Feel the healing energy move further up to your knees, relaxing the lower legs. Feel the healing energy move further up your legs. Relax your thighs. Now, deeply relax your hips and waist. Relax your back. From the top to the bottom, the entire back is relaxed. Relax your chest and shoulders. Let your shoulders drop and feel them simply melt away. Relax your upper arms. Relax each muscle in your forearms. Relax your hands right up to your fingertips. Relax your neck muscles. Move your awareness up to your face. Relax your jaw and let it drop. Then your mouth, nose, eyes, earlobes, facial muscles, forehead, all the way to the top of your head. Feel that your whole body is completely relaxed. Scan your system from top to toe, and if there is any part of your body that is still tense, painful, or unwell, immerse it for a while longer in the healing energy of Mother Earth. When you are ready, Move your attention to your heart. Rest there for a little while. Feel immersed in the love and light in your heart. Remain still and quiet, and slowly become absorbed in yourself. Remain absorbed for as long as you want, until you feel ready to come out.